Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use voice to text in Google Docs. Voice typing lets you dictate your document instead of typing, making it faster and easier to create notes, letters, and other documents. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open an existing document or create a new one. Next, click Tools in the menu bar at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Voice Typing. A microphone icon will appear on the left side of your document. Click the microphone icon to get started. If this is your first time using voice typing, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Click Allow to grant access. Next, click the language drop-down above the microphone and choose the language you want to use. When you're ready, click the microphone again and begin speaking clearly. Google Docs will automatically convert your speech into text as you talk. You can also use voice commands such as new line, new paragraph, or period to format your document while dictating. When you're finished, click the microphone icon again to stop voice typing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use voice to text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.